Hey guys, this is Crafter from Crafter and Coder. Today I'm going to show you how to build a frame stand that is not permanent, that is very cheap to build at home. It does not have any cost and it can be removed anytime as per your wish. When I was going through YouTube to make a frame stand, I found like you have to stick something here, you have to stick something here, some weird stuff. But ours is very simple if you just follow the steps. That's why you have to watch the video till end. So let's see. First take a cardboard piece according to the size of the canvas. Little bit more big or small, it's your wish. So I took like this cardboard stand. This must be 14 inches because the canvas size is 12 to 13 inches. I took 14 inches and it's very easy. If you are having like big canvas, take like a big cardboard piece according to the canvas size. Even if it's a small, take a small cardboard piece. I have a medium one, so I took like not small or not big cardboard piece. So you have to just take this and join it here like this, and you join this here and the frame will stand. You can see my hands, nothing is holding this, it's standing by itself. But now if you want to make it look more beautiful, so you can keep this in the side first, and you like this will get like from cake or something, pastries. When you buy, you will get this plate. You can just keep this plate like this, and then you can put the canvas stand like this. Guys, tell in the comments below, have you ever faced some problem like this, and do you like the canvas, do you like the painting? And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon, and join our Discord server, link below in the description.